Fireworks lit up the sky, but not for celebration. Fireworks lit up the sky, but not for celebration. Fireworks lit up the sky, but not for celebration. Emergency services faced real danger on November 5th. In Huyton, Merseyside, firefighters tackling a tower block blaze were attacked with fireworks. One firework ricocheted off their engine. Miraculously, no one was hurt. In Greater Manchester, youths launched fireworks into roads, endangering drivers, buses, and even a mother with her baby. Police issued dispersal orders in several areas, including Gorton and Bolton, after antisocial behavior and unregulated bonfires spiraled. In Merseyside, police officers were also targeted. One arrest was made, and fireworks and knives were seized. For more, stay safe, like and subscribe for updates, and thanks for watching.